Hi, I'm Lisa von Drasek, the Miranker family curator of the Kerlan collection of children's literature here at the University of Minnesota. And I have a couple of books that I want you to read. One is So Cold, story by John Coy, illustrations by Chris Park. Yes, I am in Minnesota. Yes, it is December. Yes, I was out with the dog this morning and it was 5 degrees and I was wearing 5 layers of clothing and I was so cold. If there ever was a book about Minnesota that everyone needed, it is So Cold. I pull my clothes from my dresser and put them on quickly. I look outside at the frozen stillness. So cold. You've got preschoolers, you've got kindergartners, you've got kids at home, and it's so cold. This is the book for you. And there was one reason I wanted to chat with you today, because I found a grown-up book that I'm dying to share. It's called You Got to Eat. You Got to Eat, by Margaret. Margaret is a writer, a food columnist, an experimenter, a cook, a chef, a gourmet chef, and she said sometimes you just don't feel like cooking. And I gotta say, after a long day at work, standing on my feet, running around town, I come home, I look in the fridge, and all I want is a bowl of cereal. And I gotta tell you, that's a little pathetic. And what she says is, you gotta eat. Let's make a plan to have things in the house that are easy to put together and you don't have to think about. It's real life strategies for feeding yourself when cooking seems impossible. And that's what I got today for Read This Book.